This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so that I could show it to you, but all opinions are my own.
Probably the coolest thing about these things is that you just slip them on, slip them off. Simple.
All right, I got the OrthoComfoot men's slip-on loafers. This is the black color, came in a size 13, and for me it fit true to size at size 13. And these things are really nice looking canvas, little breathable material on there. It's got a little flexible thing on there, so if your foot's a little larger, it'll flex out for you, which is pretty cool. It's got nice like hard foam bottoms on there, and some extra support here for the heel and for the ball of your foot. Actually came with an extra set of inserts. Not sure why. They're kind of foam inserts. Maybe if you wanted to double them up, but these actually come with some really nice inserts in here. So really nice gel inserts with silicone gel on the heel and under the ball of the foot, and we've got some plastic arch support here. These things are pretty sweet, and my favorite new thing is these this like waffle texture that kind of massages your foot when you walk. I think they're super comfortable, and I love it. And you can see the inside. Well made. These really come off. It's really well made, and they're nice looking. And what I like about these shoes is these are going to be great for around the house for me. You know, I'm gonna try them out on a dog walk and see what they feel like. But it's got a low cut heel on the bottom, so super easy to just slip on and slip off. No, you don't have to fight with these to get them on. Just slip in there, slip them off. So going to be great for around the house stuff. Maybe working out in the yard, that kind of thing. But they're also nice enough to wear. If you wear them out, they look great. I like the colors on these. It's a really nice canvas material with orthopedic support. You really can't beat it. But as I get a little bit older, I want some orthopedic support for my feet. They hurt. So let's take these things out for a test spin, and I'll let you know how they feel outside.
Okay, so these things are super comfortable. I got a size 13. They fit exactly size 13. Even with socks on, they fit great. 250 pounds. They feel great. Super comfortable. As far as like for putzing around the house or going up to get the mail, taking the dog for a walk, something like that. I could see myself using these on a daily basis. Really super easy to slip on, really comfortable on the heels, which I think is the point of all this. So if you need a good orthopedic shoe, something that's easy to slip on, slip off, and comfortable, check out these.